SpaceX IPO is circling around with a target of $1.75 trillion valuation and a $50 billion raise. But still, S1 filing is not out yet. What's reported is a confidential filing on April 1st, 2026. April 1st. So yeah, process may be started, but the IPO is not guaranteed yet. The craziest part of this story is that could make Elon the first trillionaire in history. Here are the 5 facts on the SpaceX IPO story. And number 5 is the craziest one. But first, let's have a look at staggering numbers. The targeted or estimated $1.75 trillion valuation could be the biggest IPO ever, with a potential raise of $50 billion or more. For the context, Aramco raised a little less than $30 billion. But this big headline makes people miss something. Elon's other company, Tesla, is now worth $1.43 trillion. So SpaceX with $1.75 trillion would be larger $316 billion from the day one. With a speculative merger, SpaceX and XAI were valued at $1.25 trillion combined valuation in February. Now the IPO talks is around $1.75 trillion. That is a $500 billion jump in a very short period of time. For the reported numbers of $15 to $16 billion revenue and about $8 billion EBITDA. And yeah, it's a huge business, but $1.75 trillion is massive. Here are the 5 risks of the IPO. 1. The scarcity game. Small float, around 5% for a huge demand. Price flies very fast. 2. Tesla premiums gets the hit, maybe purposefully. The new Elon stock hits the market and suddenly people ask, why paying crazy premium on Tesla now? Tesla PE ratio is extremely high, reported to 280 times of the earnings. 3. Hype story runs faster than the numbers. That makes the narrative gets ahead much faster than the reality. 4. The political risk. It is not a normal tech company. Rockets, satellites, defense, government contracts, geopolitics. One headline can change everything. And 5, this is the juiciest one because a little bit too Elon. Confidential filing does not mean IPO happens. Date is April 1st. Do you also think what I'm thinking? With Elon, come on, think about it. Maybe it's real, maybe, but maybe the story itself creates the heat first. More for right before the IPO, not just for the retail investors, but also for private ones. More private demand from the private equity and venture capitalists. More people are rushing in even before the public investor sees the document. Who can confidently say that this is gonna happen? The filing starts a process, right? But it might not guarantee the deal closes. And yeah, nothing is the investment advice or solicitation offers here. This video is entertainment purpose only, so relax. I'm just talking about the headlines with eyes open. And here's one more craziest thing about this story, which I think most people are waiting for it. If this deal done, what happens to Elon Musk's net worth? According to Forbes magazine, Elon holds 43% of the SpaceX. That alone would worth $743 billion for him. And also Forbes estimates his current net worth is around $817 billion on April. And if the IPO happens, it would easily push him over $1 trillion. If you like this kind of short market breakdowns, give a like and follow. And comment SpaceX in the comments below for a full breakdown with sources and full video. And listen, this is a really interesting time to be alive. So if you want to build a one-person business just like I did, I'm running a special accelerator program for this because we believe Silicon Valley type of startup accelerator grade support should be accessible for everyone. Link in the comments and in bio. See you on the other side.